Every person is different. Every need is special. So make it unique. What can xTool P2 create? Don't let the size scare you. It's user-friendly. Choose something you like and press the button. Done. You don't need to be an expert in design to start the journey. When you're onto something, let's say an idea, an ephemeral one. Before you know it, it got sparked into something bigger. With the help of xTool Creative Space, the boundary starts to fade. Ideas can quickly transform into reality. Whatever the project might be, and however the size you want, it will handle it just right. Whether it's for a once-in-a-lifetime moment like this, or a tricky request from a tricky client, you can always get a perfect result. Pretty impressive, right? If you happen to be a small and medium business owner, this is your all-in-one solution to expand your business. Let it take over. So you can sit back and relax knowing you got an xTool P2. The most professional, work-needing, business-expanding, family-bonding, and love-remembering laser cutting machine on the market. xTool P2, enjoy your creativity.